What's up, gang? Just another recap video of my day at the desk. I originally wasn't planning on trading today since it was going to be a bank holiday in the shorter hours, and I had a ton to do to get ready for my trip tomorrow. So I was at the desk doing some work getting ready for tomorrow and basically saw a long present, something I was looking at pre-market, and was tempted to take it, and I ended up taking it, and basically, yeah, went from there. So let's just basically get into it, and I'll show you what I was seeing in the morning when I got to the charts and kind of what I was looking at and watching for. Coming into the morning, this was Friday's ugly price action that I got beat up and tossed around in. And Sunday night market opens into the overnight. You know, we get this push higher. We're above the previous day's New York VWAP, which is the yellow line. Point of control, which is interesting. They're actually lining up both at the same level. And we're now above the value area high. So everything is telling me basically I'm going to be looking for longs if anything presents. But if anybody's ever traded the futures market when it's a bank holiday, it's slow. It's brutally slow. So I took one trade. Let's get into the trade itself and go from there. This was a trade I took. So market open, we have these pre-market high of day. Price slides from there, comes down, takes out the start of day VWAP, takes out the New York VWAP, and finds some support here at the previous day's New York VWAP and the point of control. For me, I found this very interesting. We have this bearish candle down that basically taps right into that level. As price comes back up, I'm sitting here at the desk, I'm looking at some stuff, just checking in for our flights and whatnot. And just go to mark this up and realize I only have to have a 4-point stop to realize I'm wrong on this trade. Bookmap is showing orders up here at 61.43 and 61.50. Both interesting levels for me. So I said, you know what? I'm going to take this. I took it before the 15-minute, just before the 15-minute opening range set back in as we bounce higher here off this level. I'm looking for the top of the opening range high to get out of the trade. That's my take profit. And what does price do? Price for the next, what was an hour and 15 minutes, just chopped along here. Chop, chop, chop. I'm watching Bookmap. Nothing screaming at me that this thing is going to go down. So you know what? I'm still watching these orders. There's really nothing below, and with there being no volume because the banks are closed, you can kind of, Bookmap is showing things a little bit more distinctly. So I just sat in the trade, watched it, checked into my flights, did everything else. We get this pop here finally. Get to 61.43. We take the orders, and they don't take it with a ton of buying strength. So, I was expecting some more follow through. I'm up $217 on the trade. I'm done. I'm over 1 hour. I'm out. Close the trade. I'm done for the day. We still get this move higher, but we never take the 61.50 level that I was looking at. So, at the end of the day, I could see myself getting stuck in this trade up here somewhere and then taking profits back down here as this chopped around, and then eventually the market closes. So, you know what? I'm happy all in all. I would have ended up probably getting out at the same point and then taking all this time sitting up here and coming back and, just messing with my emotions. And I wasn't even planning on trading today. So that's basically that. Looking at the month as a whole, I'm doing better now. I'm up $218 today, so I'm happy with it being a bank holiday and being able to pull that one trade out and then spending the rest of the day getting ready for our trip tomorrow. So that's basically it. I won't be trading tomorrow. I probably won't be trading the 9th on Wednesday either. We're flying tomorrow morning to Thailand. We have a 13-hour flight to Hong Kong and then 3 hours from Hong Kong to Thailand and a 15-hour time difference. So the next 48 hours are going to probably be a bit of a blur. And we're traveling with a 1-year-old. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel all along. I'm going to be doing some interesting stuff for the next few weeks. I'm going to be trading the London session with some of the other traders in our group that live on that side of the world in that time zone. So I'll be posting content. It'll be coming in staggered different times from what everybody's used to, but pay attention. And cheers.